I've had a couple requests to clarify how to enter videos onto Flipgrid. So when you click the link that's on the Google slide, it should take you to whichever page you're working on. And it should look something like this. It'll have the title of the grid at the top. This particular one has 3 topics to choose from. The rest of them that I'm creating don't have that. But let's say you wanted to go to 3 rules, you would click 3 rules. If you want to go to thank someone, you click there. If you want to go to 1 moment, you would click here. So I'm going to go here to show you what it's going to look like. This particular one doesn't have any responses. All I do is click this little plus button, and then it's going to bring up the recording screen. And in order to record, you click here. You wait till it counts down. I would then record my video on here. Once I have finished recording, you click the pause button. It will stop. Then you click next. It will play.
I would then record my video.
It'll play back your video that you just recorded. You can listen to it. You can add more to it. You can redo it, delete it, whatever you want. And then click next again. It's going to ask you to take a selfie. This is where you can apply stickers. For example, if I want to put on a hat or a pair of glasses, I click the little sticker for accessories, and then I can decide what I want to put on my head. Let's go with a safari hat. It'll drop the safari hat on. You can then put it wherever it is you want it. You click the camera button to take your selfie, and then you click next again, and that will take you to the upload screen. After it prepares your video, it will ask you to put in your display name. This is your name so that people can see it. If you want to title it, it can be your title. And then you submit your video. Once you've submitted your video, it'll give you a little look how happy you are. And then complete. And then now your video will show up here. Okay. I don't actually want this video to be here, so I would delete that.
I would then record.
People can go in and watch your video. Let me show you what you can do next. Okay, I'm not going to play it. If you are watching someone's video and you want to record your own video reply, you click right here, and it will let you reply to that video, and it will save that recording with that same video. Okay, so that's a little tutorial on how to use Flipgrid. Okay, hope that helps.